Hey folks, so I'm going to take you through my process to curate my very own playlist on feedback. So you can see here already within the content intelligence platform at Filtered, I have gone into my leadership and management skill group, and these are all of the skills which are centralized under this skill group. So you can see here, I got given feedback. So we're just going to click here, and that is going to bring up all of the content I have in my library for given feedback. So you can see it's over 105 assets at the moment, which is huge. And I'm not going to go through 105 assets. So this is where we bring in the power of the platform to help us filter down to find the best content. And ideally, what I want to do here is to find the best five pieces of content. So let us walk through this together. So one, my only language I speak, unfortunately, is English. So let's just say we are looking for English content resources only, which we've done here. And that brings us down to 84,000 assets, which is great. And I'm pretty time poor. So I'm going to say that actually, I don't want anything that is more than 30 minutes. So we're just going to put this in here and then we'll click apply. And then again, we've now brought that down to a grand total of 66,000 results. So what else can we do? So there's two other things that I'm going to do here. So one of them is to focus on relevancy, and relevancy is the score our algorithm will give content. So what I want to say, and if you imagine this on a scale of 1 to 10, I am going to say that I want content that is greater than a 9 out of 10. So I'm just going to put in zero point 0.9 here, and this will bring me the best of the best stuff. Now we can see here what I'm now presented with are the best four resources on that topic of feedback in my libraries, all filtered down very quickly. So that was a number of clicks.